10 Bachata Sensual Fundamental Basics. There's a lot more, of course, but if you know this, you have a lot in your arsenal, quote, to make more. And if you like to see with music, we have it here and also down in the description. Let's get started in a nice closed position, mi amor, and do basic. 1, 2, round with the hand on 5, 6, 7, 8. Now guys, just bend your knees first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When I lift the shoulders, it's not really like I'm pulling up hard, it's just a styling thing. And make sure you don't bend forward, guys, keep straight. And now we do a basic, but we want to grab the hand, so we pull away. 1, 2, 3, by 4, you lift up, and make sure you give the lady enough space, so you lead down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring the hand straight so you lock the joints. Now we're on 1, so we're going to go back to the basic to the left. We're making it small here, so we stay inside the camera. You can make it bigger. And here, nice progression, 5, 6, 7, 8, the body position. They can be done so many things from here, but we decided, let's make it from the side because you can't see it exactly on the video, the extended body wave. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Regular body wave. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we're gonna add a little bit extra with that. So, one last time. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Same drop, better lead. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, use your left hand, remove the right. 1, 2, 3, exchange and grab from the wrist. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go close to the lady. 1, 2, in between her feet. By 4, lean to the side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, at the same time you're sliding down, guys, make sure you bring your hand up because you want to control the shoulders. From this side, it goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because that is not with the music. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Continuing on to do an adios with the preparation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you're going to sway the lady. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can continue 5, 6, 7, 8. You can break the beat 5, 6, 7, 8. Back into the basic. And then voila, we're done. Thank you very much for watching. See you on the next video.